In a world defined by borders and boundaries, we often forget what truly unites us, our shared humanity. Across the globe, poverty, inequality, and climate change challenge millions of lives every day. These issues don't stop at borders. They affect us all, reminding us that our futures are deeply interconnected. But amidst these challenges, there is a rising hope, a hope fueled by unity and collaboration. Global World Citizen is more than a platform. It's a movement to connect people, ideas, and solutions. We believe education is the cornerstone of empowerment, lighting the path toward brighter futures. Through sustainable innovation, we're planting the seeds of change, one project at a time. Communities around the world are taking action, transforming barren landscapes into thriving ecosystems. Together, we're bridging divides, proving that collaboration is stronger than any barrier. From clean technology to grassroots initiatives, we are driving progress in every corner of the globe. These stories are a testament to what's possible when we unite as global world citizens. Leadership emerges when we empower individuals to dream, act, and innovate for a better tomorrow. Around the world, communities are coming together, celebrating their shared achievements. Sustainable practices are reshaping economies, creating opportunities that uplift and inspire. Education unlocks potential, nurturing the leaders who will shape our future. This is the power of a united world, a future without borders. At Global World Citizen, we are building a global movement of action and hope. Every face tells a story. Every story is a step toward a better, more connected world. Together, we're not just imagining a better world, we're building it. When we join hands across borders, we unleash the power of unity. A sustainable, fair future is within reach for all of us. Because our world is more than the lines that divide us. It's a shared home that binds us. Global World Citizen is your platform for change, a movement to empower, inspire, and connect. Join us in building unity for the future. Be part of the movement that's transforming lives. Together, we are Global World Citizens, united for a better tomorrow. Visit globalworldcitizen.com to join the movement today. Together, we can make a difference.